Learning code through play, a fun way to level up. Have you ever thought about learning to code? Coding can seem intimidating, like a secret language only a few understand. But what if I told you there's a fun and easy way to learn? You can level up your coding skills through games. Yes, you read that right. Games aren't just for entertainment, they can be powerful tools for learning, especially when it comes to programming. In this essay, we'll explore how playing games can help you unlock the world of coding. Get ready to embark on an exciting adventure where learning and fun go hand in hand. Games and learning, a powerful combination. You might be wondering, how can playing games teach me something as complex as coding? Well, games and learning are more connected than you might think. When we play games, we're constantly solving problems, coming up with strategies, and thinking creatively. These are all essential skills for coding. Games provide a safe and engaging environment to experiment and learn from our mistakes. They break down complex concepts into smaller, more manageable challenges, making the learning process feel like an exciting adventure. The benefits of learning programming through games. Learning programming through games offers several benefits. Games make learning fun and engaging, keeping you motivated to progress. They provide instant feedback, allowing you to see the results of your code in real time. Moreover, games encourage experimentation and creativity. You're free to try different approaches, learn from your mistakes, and discover innovative solutions. Popular educational games for coding superstars. Ready to start your coding adventure? There's a wide variety of educational games designed to teach programming to people of all ages and skill levels. Some popular options include Code Combat. Embark on a medieval adventure where you write code to control your hero and battle enemies. Scratch. This visual programming language lets you create interactive stories, animations, and games by connecting blocks of code. Minecraft. This popular game allows you to use code to build intricate structures, create custom game modes, and automate tasks. These are just a few examples of the many fantastic educational games available. Explore different options and find the ones that best suit your interests and learning style. Getting started, your coding adventure awaits. Starting your coding journey with games is easier than you think. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, choose a game. Select a game that aligns with your interests and learning goals. Next, start playing. Jump right in and start playing. Most games offer tutorials and guidance to help you learn the basics. Don't be afraid to experiment. Games encourage experimentation. Don't be afraid to try different approaches, make mistakes, and learn from them. Remember, the key is to have fun and enjoy the learning process. Embrace the challenges, celebrate your victories, and never stop exploring the exciting world of coding. Choosing the right game for your coding journey can seem overwhelming with so many fantastic educational games available. But don't worry, we're here to help. Consider these factors when making your selection. Your interests. Are you passionate about art, music, storytelling, or problem solving? Choose a game that aligns with your interests to make the learning process more enjoyable. Your skill level. If you're a complete beginner, start with games designed for novice coders. As you gain experience, you can progress to more challenging games. Your learning style. Do you prefer visual learning, hands-on activities, or logical reasoning? Select a game that complements your learning style. Remember, the best game for you is the one that keeps you engaged, motivated, and excited to learn. To maximize your learning experience, consider these tips. Set realistic goals. Don't expect to become a coding expert overnight. Start with small, achievable goals and gradually increase the complexity as you progress. Join a community. Connect with other learners online or in person. Share your experiences, ask for help, and learn from each other. Don't give up. Coding can be challenging at times, but don't get discouraged. Persevere through the difficulties, and you'll reap the rewards of your hard work. Remember, the journey of learning to code is an ongoing adventure. Embrace the challenges, celebrate your successes, and never stop exploring the limitless possibilities of coding. Once you've mastered the basics of coding through games, you can take your skills to the next level by exploring more advanced games. Challenge yourself with games that require more complex coding concepts and problem-solving skills. Building your own projects. Apply your coding knowledge to create your own games, websites, or applications. Joining coding communities. Connect with other coders online or in person to share your work, get feedback, and collaborate on projects. Remember, the skills you develop through gaming can open doors to exciting opportunities in the tech industry and beyond. Learning to code doesn't have to be intimidating or boring. By embracing the power of play, you can unlock your coding potential and embark on an exciting journey of discovery and innovation. Games provide a fun, engaging, and effective way to learn programming. They break down complex concepts into manageable challenges, foster creativity and problem-solving skills, and provide instant feedback to track your progress. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of coding games and level up your life with the power of play.